Namaste, my name is Deepika. Welcome to Desi Curly. I talk about hair and skin as you know and आज की वीडियो में आज सिर्फ हेयर या स्किन के बारे में बात नहीं करेंगे, आज दोनों के बारे में बात करेंगे. And this is not just another review video, it's gonna be a review video but it's gonna be more than that. जो भी मैं आज दिखाने वाली हूँ, whatever I'm going to show you and talk about today, I am going to give it to you as well. So these are some of my reliable and hand-picked products that I really like using. Some of them are one of my favorites and most of them are actually either empty or just going to end. So these are a mix of hair and skincare products. So I'm going to talk about these, what are they, why I like them. Also, if you do not want to take part in this giveaway, that's completely okay. You can still go and purchase if you want these products. Because these are some of my really reliable, you can say one of my favorites, skincare and hair care products, all from Indian brands, and these people are doing just amazing out in the Indian market, and they are actually making world-class products according to the price and the performance of the products. So these are reliable, these are amazing, these are not that expensive, and these are Indian brands. So this is just my little way of giving a shout out and supporting my Indian brands. So there are going to be 5 winners, not just one. So first winner is going to get all of this, hair plus skin, and 2 winners are going to get skincare products and 2 others are going to get hair care products. So let's get into it. Also, this is not a sponsored video by any brand. All of these products have been purchased by me for every winner. Like, I have purchased everything already. It's with me and I'm going to ship it to your address, whoever wins it. So I actually wanted to do this giveaway in the month of March, but there was a lot going on in March. Then I thought कि यार अप्रैल में करा जाए क्योंकि अप्रैल में मेरा बर्थडे आता है, अप्रैल में देसी कर्ली का बर्थडे आता है, which means that 17 अप्रैल 2018 इस तारीख को मैंने देसी कर्ली अकाउंट इंस्टाग्राम पे स्टार्ट किया था 3 साल पहले. एंड दैट्स वाई अप्रैल इज नॉट जस्ट माई बर्थडे, इट्स ऑल्सो देसी कर्लीज एनिवर्सरी. सो आई थॉट अप्रैल इज द perfect month to do this, and I wanted to give back. That's why I didn't want any brand to sponsor it. I wanted to sponsor all my favorite products myself for you guys. तो ये देखते हैं टोकरी में है क्या क्या. Actually it's a mix of hair plus skincare, and all of these brands are actually Indian brands that I have been using since years now, at least more than 1 year. तो सबसे पहले हम बात करेंगे स्किन केयर की. सबसे पहले we have Zaina face wash. So this is an Indian brand and I bought it last year, and as you can see it's almost empty. This face wash is suitable for all skin types including dry skin, and I have kind of sensitive, sometimes it's acne prone, I have combination kind of skin that goes through a lot. So this particular face wash, my skin really loved it. I got no rashes, no acne, there was no excessive dryness, and it's a pH balanced face wash, and it's a foam cleanser, and because it's a foam cleanser you don't really need to use a lot. You just need 2 pumps and that's all. So this is one of my favorite cleansers I have used so far. So gentle and yet cleanses very well. And after cleanser, what do we need? We need a face moisturizer. That's very important for every kind of skin type, including oily skin. So for that I have a very basic, very effective, very reliable, this is called Disguise Cosmetics C+C sorbet. This is cooling plus calming sorbet. So it's called a sorbet but it's like a gel cream. So this is what it looks like. I mean the texture of it, and it just vanishes into your skin. Doesn't give you greasy feeling, and you really need a really little amount. And because it's gel cream, it's suitable for most skin types including acne prone skin. So I really like using it, and it's almost empty. And then how can we forget lips? Lips are really important to be taken care of, and this is, that if you follow me on Instagram, you know that this is one of my favorite lip balm of all times. I've been using this since 1.5 years, and I don't remember, this is my 3rd pot or 4th pot, and 1 pot lasts really long time. So you can see it's a tiny pot. It's a very cute pot, and it's 5 gram by the way. So this is the lip balm, and it's all oils, but it feels so moisturizing and hydrating on lips, even though it has no water in it. And it also has rosehip oil, which is really good, as you know, for the skin, for pigmentation. So if you have any kind of pigmentation because of any kind of allergies or any reason, it's going to help you really well in getting your natural skin color, I mean your lip color back. So it's not going to lighten your lip color or anything, but it's going to bring back the natural, the original color of your lips while keeping it hydrated and moisturized for a really long time. And it doesn't feel heavy on lips, feels very light, and it stays for a very long time on your lips. And after cleansing the face, we do need a towel, right? What kind of towel do you use? I personally love using microfiber towel, and I have been using Hair Love's microfiber towel since last, I don't know, 6 months or probably more than that. And after using these towels, I just cannot use normal cotton towels because they feel so pricky and so rough on skin. This is super just too soft on skin, and it's from the brand called Hair Love. And the one I got are not in this print. It's actually in one of my favorite prints. This one is actually my bath towel, again from Hair Love. After using this towel, I just cannot go back to any cotton towel. It's so good, and I got you in this print. It's super duper pretty, and it feels very soft on the skin, like super soft. And now we have this scrunchie. Satin scrunchie is something everyone needs, whether you are a skincare enthusiast or hair care enthusiast, you will need this. It's a very loose kind of, it's called a lazy scrunchie. It's by Hair Love only, and it's super duper soft and very good. Hair Love makes very good quality products, so this is very good one. This is mine actually, the yellow color, and I have 5 others for the winners as well in different colors like orange and purple and green and very pretty colors. And satin scrunchie doesn't tug to your hair, it just pulls out very nicely without causing any hair breakage, without pulling your hair, and you can just wear it the whole day. You won't even realize there's something on your head. It's just so good. So the next thing is something really close to my heart because it's handmade, absolutely handmade. It's a flower clip. It's made by polymer clay, and it looks super duper cute when worn. It's so pretty. I actually got it customized. I wanted it to be flower because I love flowers. It has daisies on it, and actually gave the order like I want it specifically of this color, and so summery, so pretty. Everybody needs clips. So every winner, all 5 winners are going to get this cutie as well. So for hair care, first we need a cleanser, right? Now this is going to be a very different kind of cleanser. I really enjoy using it. Many of you must already be familiar with this brand. It's called Flossum. The mask is called Tense Intense Mask. So this is a charcoal based mask actually, and this is a multi-purpose one. It has little tiny walnut beads in it, like natural walnut beads, and it's for exfoliation of scalp. And this is supposed to be used as a deep conditioning hair mask, as well as, according to the labels and the brand, it also says that it can be used as a hair cleanser. So basically a conditioning cleanser. What do we call it? It's called a co-wash. So basically this particular product can be used as a co-wash as well. It's a little messy to open it, but this is how it looks. It's a little liquidy, and most of it is actually gone. I've used it. So it smells really strong, but that's about it. That's the only negative I feel about it, but otherwise it's a very good one. I don't recommend using this one as a deep conditioner because I don't feel it's that conditioning, but it's conditioning enough to be used as a co-wash, and I have used it as a co-wash multiple times, and I really like using it. And it's a huge tub actually. It's 200 grams, and 3 winners are going to get this. The first winner is going to get all of the things, as well as the 2 winners who are going to get the hair things. Apart from just getting the tub, Flossum actually was running kind of a sale kind of a thing when I purchased this for the winners. There were very pretty satin scarves along with it, and you are going to get that as well. I'm not going to keep that. So you are not just going to get this, you are also going to get a satin scarf. So basically if you are using a co-wash, or basically a conditioning kind of co-wash, a very mild cleanser, you need a scalp brush. This is a shampoo brush, by the way. This is from the brand called Maintain. Another amazing Indian brand run by women. And this is amazing. It has silicone bristles. It kind of very mildly pricks your scalp, so it raises the blood circulation when you are using it. Apart from that, once you have put on the shampoo or co-wash on your scalp, you need to massage your scalp very nicely so that the dirt and oil and everything is gone. It just loosens and just leaves your scalp. So if you feel that your fingers are not doing the job, please do not prick your scalp with the nails. If you feel that the fingers pads are not doing the job, then get a shampoo brush. This is amazing. This is the one I purchased from Maintain. I have been using this for co-washes. You just need to lightly make small circular motions on the scalp regions where you want to scrub, and that's all. It's very gentle, it's very nice. So the hair people and the first winner is going to get this as well. So you can use this one as a one and done cleanser, and after that you won't even need a conditioner because this is going to cleanse and condition both. And after that you will need some stylers if you are a curly or a wavy girl. Or if you are going to make some style, you will need some hairstyle no matter what kind of hair you have. So for that I have these 2 stylers from Fix My Curls. These are their new ones, the curl quenching range. So these are the stylers that most people like from Fix My Curls as compared to their original leave-in and gel. And these are the travel sizes, and because I love them, I have purchased them for you. And you can see my hair, this is all this. I just cleanse and condition, basically co-washed with this one, followed by these stylers. And these are super duper moisturizing. They give so much shine and moisturization to hair, and you don't need a ton of product when you are using this. Absolutely love it. And the jelly, actually, this jelly, Flexi jelly, can be used as a one and done styler by fine hair or people with low density hair or people who do not like to use leave-in or creams because that weigh down their hair. The only negative I feel about this is the fragrance. It has intense kind of fragrance. That's all about it. That's the only thing I want to change about these two. Otherwise, it's amazing. Apart from that, anybody can use it. Girls, guys, any age, anyone can use this. So, summing up all the prizes and everything. So, the first winner is going to get all of this, and the other winners are going to get, two of the winners are going to get all of this, and other two winners are going to get all of this from skincare. So what you need to do basically is, in order to take part in this giveaway, you just need to follow me on Instagram and subscribe to my channel on YouTube. So if you are already following me on Instagram, just comment down below and mention your Instagram handle for sure, so that at the time of picking the winners, I can verify, I can check, I can go to your Instagram handle and check that you are following. And if you are not following me on Instagram or not subscribed to my YouTube, make sure you do, so that you are eligible to this giveaway. Make sure you comment as well, so that I know that you want to take part in this giveaway. And it's not really a rule of the giveaway, but if you want, if you feel like it, please do share the giveaway on your Instagram or on your other social media channels. And it's not a rule, but it will really make me really happy, and thank you in advance for that. That's all about this video. This video was actually dedicated to you guys, because you guys mean a lot to me. The subscribers, the followers, viewers, whatever you want to say, the people who talk to me, the people who trust me, you guys are everything. You guys are going to make or break the person. So this video was dedicated to you guys. So that's all about it. Thank you for listening and joining me on this video. I'll see you next time. Till then, bye bye.
Namaste, my name is Deepika, and
Obviously, Indian brands, vocal for local. Awkward tha kya? My can be used as a co-wash as well.